All right, YouTubes. Here we go. We got the Mini Hulk on the bench today, which is the MS250. See if we can't get a little better view of the CPI race pipe. It's completely bone stock, but all I'm doing is tuning up the chain here. I think last time I had someone run it, I think we might have snagged something a little too hard. Now eventually this thing's going to get converted to the 3/8 Pico chain. I might even try the 325 narrow kerf unit. I'm not sure though. I'm just going to be using this here cool little file right here. I can use something else if I really want to. Unfortunately, my shop's not very big, so I can't get good angles on things. But yeah, see if we can't come over here a little bit and spread you around. There we go. There we go. So yeah, I'm just gonna touch this up a little bit and call it good. It doesn't take much, as you can see. Man, my hand was way in the road on that one. Let's see if we can just do it on this one real quick. You gotta find your groove. That's all it takes, is just a little bit. That's if you maintain it, you know. If you don't maintain it, then yeah, they're kind of a bugger to deal with. I really like using this one and the triangle one. The triangle one I really like on the 3/8 Pico chain or the 3/8 low profile, depending on who you're talking to. That's what I like to use. That's just my personal preference. But there's a lot of people that do this different than me. Whatever. It doesn't hurt my feelings if someone says I'm doing it wrong, because I just don't care. And that's kind of a bad thing to say, but I really just don't, because this is the way I like doing it, and this is how I can make my chains cut fast. So anyway, we're gonna do this for a second. Sorry, my hat's in the way. There we go. Anyway, it's almost Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys, everybody's having a good time on Valentine's. I don't do Valentine's. Me and my wife don't do Valentine's. We do it for our daughter, but that's about it. Sorry, my voice is still pretty crappy. It's one of those things. Spent some time in the doctor's office. That's been super fun. Spent some time in the ER office. That was really fun. Anyway, yeah.